Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So guys, today our topic is the 7 easy ways to start investing with little money. Before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can get the latest videos. Let's get started. For many people, the world investing conjures up an image of men in suits monitoring the exchange of millions of dollars on a stock ticker. I'm here to tell you, you don't need to be the wolf of Wall Street to start investing. The key to building wealth is developing good habits like regularly putting money away from every month and nixing into Planet Fitness membership that you have not used in years. Saving money and investing are closely connected. In order to invest money, you first have to save some up that take a lot less time than you think, and you can do it in very small steps. Try putting $10 into an envelope, showbox, a small safe, or even that legendary bank of first resort, the cookie jar. Though this may sound silly, it's often a necessary first step. Get yourself into a habit of living on a little bit less than you earn. So first, okay. The second is enrolling your employer's retirement plan. If you are on a tight budget, even the simple step of enrolling in your 401k of other employer retirement plan may seem beyond your reach, but you can begin investing in employer-sponsored retirement plan with amounts so small you won't even notice them. Number 3 in open an IRA as well. Employer-sponsored 401k. In addition, one of the very best benefit of an IRA, a Roth IRA especially, it is its ability to grow tax-free. Your account will both grow without being taxed, and you will be able to make tax-free withdrawals starting at age 59 and a half. Let a robo-advisor investment your money for you. Robo-advisors entered the investing scene about a decade ago and make investing as simple and accessible as possible. You don't need any prior investing experience, as robo-advisors take all of the guesswork out of investing. Robo-advisors work by asking a few simple questions to determine your goal and risk tolerance, and then investing your money in a high diversified low cost portfolio of stocks and bonds. Number 5, starting investing in the stock market with little money. The internet has made it easy for consumers to get started with very little upfront money. That means you can put a few dollars into a familiarize yourself with investing before making a bigger commitment. It's a great way to learn about investing while putting very little money at risk. Dip your toe in the real estate market. Crowdfunded real estate investments require large minimum investment than robo-advisor. For example, $5,000 instead of $500. There are also riskier investments because you will be putting that entire $5,000 into one property rather than a diversified portfolio of hundreds of individual investments. The upside is owning a piece of real physical assets that not necessarily correlated with the stock market. Put your money in the low initial investment mutual funds. Mutual funds are investment securities that allows you to invest in a portfolio of stocks and bonds with a single transaction, making them perfect for new investors. Automatic investing is a common feature with mutual fund and ETF IRA accounts. Mutual funds companies that have been known to this include Dreyfus, Transamerica, and T. Roy Price. So guys, these are the 7 ideas that you can start investing with low money. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel so you can get the latest videos. Thank you so much.